Hello guys, Riley here, and today I am going to make my daddy's world OC. Her name is Layla the king, and her friend is Cosmo and and Sprout. She's 20 years old like the other two, and she loves baking a lot, just like Cosmo and Sprout. And her trinket is has a cooldown for 60 seconds, which which is the ability to which is the ability to have ultra speed that cools down in 60 seconds, and that lasts 10 seconds, and you only use it for when you get chased by tools, because if you use that for just for speed, you would run out of things when you're getting chased by a tool. Also, her her stats her so I'm not gonna make her stats. I'm not gonna explain her stats, so I'll just continue this. And also here is her backstory. When she when she was born, she was she was Sprout's sister. She was Cosmo's sister, and she became friends with her old uh old sister. I don't know if Cosmo's a boy or a girl. And she became friends with Cosmo. And also, she she is a she doesn't like Daddy because he keeps asking for her wait. And she is a female, which, which is what I said. So, and also she is she has she is Sprout's cousin. She has square eyes cause her her when she was still a baby, she didn't have she didn't have she didn't have seeds on her cheek yet. She didn't have seeds on her cheek yet when she was still a baby. And when she was a kid seeds started growing on her cheeks. Oh, hold on a second, guys. I'm sorry, my sister is distracting me. And also, oh my gosh, it's a mess. Sorry for yapping, y'all guys. It's just like a funny moment. Oh no! Oh good. Shit. Oh my gosh, everything is a big mess. Oh my gosh. Oh, better now. Let's continue. And and she was she was a big fan of baking, and she's also a bit short because she's young, and she has a cream like hair or her head. It's like a hat, a chef hat, and she's a bit stylish though. And what is the cream? And also, she she has also a strawberry cream one, and there's seeds on there's she has jam like on on her head for hair. And also this is her gel here. sometimes somebody tastes it and she gets annoyed. Like Shrimple, he keeps teasing her for having jump hair. And and her favorite color is red, and she's chocolate favorite, just like her 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 cake roll her cake roll cut sis brother or sister gospel. And she's also strawberry flavor like Sprout, but don't worry, they're just cousins, not couples. If you're brain rotted, it's just for you to know that this is not their coupleship. Also, she when she went to the garden, she saw her parents I guess dead. Yeah, dead. Yeah, I feel sorry for this now. And also, she has she has a she has a strawberry pretend on her pocket for style also. And this is what it looks like. I know it looks like a carrot. Here we go. And she's too tall. I'm gonna shrink her a little bit. And she's wearing boots, of course, for the style. And she has it's like a heel like boots for style. And she has gloves of course. Cause who would not wear gloves in a baking kitchen? Of course, my sister, she never uses her gloves in a kitchen. And also, I'm kind of hooked for my sister because if she was awake, she would scream like a dinosaur. But thank God my sister's sleeping. And also, she is half. She is she also likes eating strawberry, and she likes vanilla, but she, cause don't worry, she's not even allergic to vanilla. And since I have nothing to say, let's just watch my lessons. Okay, why? I think I lost my phone, and this is totally, literally the worst part. And I'll just keep talking. And her running skills are 3. Like her stats are some of the 2 to 3. And she's a bit popular. I know I'm like Emily. And as I said, so she's a chocolate flavor like her sister or brother Garfield. Although this is going like a diva. And this is her strawberry cream. It's just her hat, okay? So don't be dirty. For those dirty-minded people who think it's like a relationship, it's just style. And this is and this is going absolutely legit. Why do I kind of like this OC actually? And she has red eyes, but it doesn't mean she's evil, okay? Even her hair, since her hair strap is red, and strawberries are red, so that's good. And this is her eyelashes. But please don't eat her, cause if you make a mukbang video of eating her, yup, I'm literally gonna explode. Also, this, since I don't know what to say, let's just watch my art for a while. Oh my god! No. Phew. Oh, wait, and also it has a line right here. In case she doesn't get hurt. And also let's have this over here. This is what I'm talking. This is our look, okay? So this is the result. She's so pretty. So that's it for y'all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.